Hey everyone, welcome back to my car review. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic SUVs in the market, the 2025 Nissan Patrol. Known for its ruggedness and off-road capabilities, the 2025 model brings a fresh design and enhanced performance, making it a standout in its segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Nissan Patrol has undergone a significant transformation. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and imposing front fascia. The redesigned grille is larger and more aggressive, featuring a honeycomb pattern that gives the Patrol a modern, yet intimidating look. The LED headlights have also been revamped, with sharper lines and a sleeker profile that integrates seamlessly into the front design. Moving along the side, the Patrol retains its boxy and muscular stance, but with a few updates. The character lines are more pronounced, and the wheel arches are slightly flared, giving it a more dynamic appearance. The 20-inch alloy wheels come with a new design, adding to the overall ruggedness of the SUV. At the rear, the taillights have been slimmed down and now feature a more futuristic LED signature. The rear bumper has also been redesigned, with a more refined look that complements the overall exterior updates. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan Patrol packs a punch with its 5.6-liter V8 engine. This beast delivers 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, providing plenty of power whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road trails. The engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. One of the key highlights is the improved suspension system, which not only enhances the Patrol's off-road capabilities, but also provides a more comfortable ride on paved roads. The advanced 4x4 system with multiple terrain modes allows the Patrol to adapt to various driving conditions effortlessly, making it a versatile choice for both urban and adventure driving. Moving inside, the 2025 Patrol offers a mix of luxury and practicality. The interior is spacious, with premium materials used throughout the cabin. The dashboard features a dual-screen setup, with the upper screen handling navigation and the lower screen dedicated to climate control and other vehicle settings. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, providing comfort for long journeys. There's also ample space in the second and third rows, making it ideal for families or groups. With advanced safety features and the latest infotainment technology, the 2025 Nissan Patrol ensures that you stay connected and secure, no matter where the road takes you. Thanks for watching my car review. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and don't forget to subscribe.